they are. Plus the vibrant background tied everything together, making the whole stage pop visually. Honestly, this performance was a trip from start to finish. Itong MV na to, nakakabitin pa nga eh. Sana, kasi yun na ang pinaka ano sa kanta ngayon, ano, parang hanggang 2 minutes and paikli ng paikli. Paikli ng paikli ang kanta. Eh, nakakabitin, sobrang nabitin ako. Sana, more parang 14 pa. Abangan ko naman ngayon ang live performance nila nitong song nila na ito. Ito naman. Grabe. This song is such a bop. As in, instant LSS levels. And the MV, sobrang colorful. Every frame look like a magazine spread. Visual piece, siyempre. You know what? I absolutely love the first verse of this song. May pabulong pa. And it's just blended so perfectly with the overall vibe. It's the subtle detail that makes the whole track even more addictive. I also love the MV's transitions. They were so smooth and visually satisfying. Hindi siya nakakasawa sa mata kasi laging may bago. Paiba-iba ang scenes, but still cohesive. Pure eye candy. And can we please talk about the dance break? Like, wow, goosebumps levels. Sino kaya ang choreographer nila? Whoever it is, ang galing sobra, flawless. Oh, and speaking of big news, what? They're having a concert for their 10th anniversary. Wow. The title, Domination. Like, how iconic is that, diba? Yeah. It's happening at the Aratane Theater in Los Angeles. Wow. And honestly, sana mapanood natin. Yeah. This is important, you know. And I have to say it before I give my rating. These are the kinds of songs that are really good but don't become popular. Why? Kasi they don't get the attention they deserve. You get it? Yeah. If they really give it attention, they will definitely become popular. Ito last na to. I'll be looking forward to the dance performance of this. So, here's my rating. Of course, it's 100. Perfect.